Picture this. A sump pump that's potentially been around longer than some of us have been doing plumbing. Yep, the customer suspects it's a seasoned 20-year-old champ. But guess what? This old-timer finally threw in the towel, and I suspect it's because of the back pressure in the line. Let me break it down for you. The pump's been sending its hard-earned water through an ancient lead pipe, stretching a whopping 90 feet into a creek. I mean, talk about a workout. So, my theory? That line probably decided it had enough and just collapsed. When I popped that clean out, water came gushing out like it was late for a meeting. I explained to the customer, "Hey, this is a problem," and suggested we reroute the discharge. But wait, there's more. The neighbor, who's also connected to this vintage plumbing setup, comes to the rescue with a power washer he's turned into a makeshift jetter. 2 hours later, after a heroic effort, the line remains clogged. Still, the customer insists on keeping things as they are, so fingers crossed this pump hangs in there for a bit longer. Remember, folks, subscribe for more plumbing adventures and tips. Who knows, we might even uncover a secret treasure map in an old pipe. Stay tuned.